What is the meaning of the word pocket? As a noun, a small pouch inside a garment for carrying small articles. A supply of money. Bowling, the space between the headpin and the pins behind it on the right or left. A small isolated group of people. An opening at the corner or on the side of a billiard table into which billiard balls are struck. Examples of use. They dipped into the taxpayers' pockets. The ball hit the pocket and gave him a perfect strike. They were concentrated in pockets inside the city. As a verb. Put in one's pocket. Take unlawfully. Examples of use. He pocketed the change. Pocket is spelled P-O-C-K-E-T. Pocket.